Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Dreaming of studying in beautiful Switzerland? The University of Zurich, or UZ, is calling. For 2025 admissions, understanding the process is key to your success. This video brings you the most current information, designed to simplify your application journey. We will guide you through the requirements, application steps, and crucial tips, ensuring you feel confident in securing your place at this prestigious institution. Let's get started on your path to UZH. To apply for UZH, your academic foundation is paramount. You will generally need a qualification equivalent to the Swiss Matura, which is their high school leaving certificate. For some specialized programs, particular coursework in areas like mathematics or biology might also be required. Additionally, for the majority of bachelor's degrees, a strong command of German, typically C1 level, is absolutely crucial. However, some master's programs are fully taught in English. Be sure to verify the language requirements for your specific program of interest. The application process for the University of Zurich is streamlined through their user-friendly online portal. This is where you will submit all your information and documents. It's incredibly important to note the specific application deadlines, as these can differ significantly depending on your chosen program and whether you are applying for the fall or spring semester. Make sure you gather all required documents well in advance. This includes your academic transcripts, diplomas, and official proof of your language proficiency, ensuring nothing is overlooked. To truly stand out, focus on crafting a compelling personal statement that genuinely reflects your academic aspirations and passion for your field. This is your chance to tell your unique story. We highly recommend applying as early as possible within the application window. This proactive approach helps avoid any last-minute stress and allows ample time for your documents to be processed. Furthermore, don't shy away from highlighting any relevant extracurricular activities or volunteer work. These experiences can powerfully showcase your leadership, commitment, and well-rounded profile. Once your application is submitted, remember to regularly check the UZH online portal for status updates. Patience is key during this waiting period. For any further detailed information on specific programs, potential scholarships, or insights into student life, always refer to the official University of Zurich website. It is an invaluable resource. If you encounter unique questions not addressed online, do not hesitate to contact the admissions office directly. We wish you the very best of luck on your application journey to the University of Zurich.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.